हेलो फ्रेंड्स। पाइथन में एसक्यूएल कनेक्टिविटी आपको प्रैक्टिकली बताने के पहले कुछ थ्योरेटिकल कंसेप्ट में क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ कि हाउ टू कनेक्ट MySQL सर्वर एंड क्रिएट अ टेबल इन MySQL फ्रॉम द पाइथन and different type of MySQL connection argument we can use to connect the MySQL, how to change MySQL connection timeout when connecting through the Python and further readings. So argument required to connect MySQL from Python, you need to know the following detail of the MySQL server to perform the connection from Python: username, password, MySQL server, database of root, and password according to password. So username database is main by default is a root, and password according to choose what when you installing type. So first is given by the user at the time of installing the MySQL database. यानी कि जब when you install the database, you have to set the password. If you are using root, then you won't need the password. Host name is the server name or LP local host address on which MySQL is running. If you are running on a local host, then you can use localhost or IP just like that. Now database name. Database name to which you want to connect. Here we are using database name MyDB, because we have already created this for our example. Okay, so not we are using the MySQL connector Python module to communicate with the MySQL server. So step to connect MySQL database in Python using MySQL connector Python. So install MySQL connection Python using pip. Okay, so how can we connect? Just go to the install. This is the Anaconda prompt, and you just copy, Ctrl+C, and then paste. But first you need to internet, then it will be start. My internet is not working right now, so it won't be install. Okay, so first Conda install my connectors. So install MySQL connector Python using pip. So use the MySQL connector .connect method of MySQL connector Python with required parameter to connect MySQL. Use the connection object written by a connect method to create a cursor object to perform database operations. The cursor execute SQL queries from Python. Close the cursor object using a cursor.close. यानी कि जो क्वेरी आपको ओपन करनी एग्जीक्यूट करनी वो क्लोज भी करनी पड़ेगी. एंड MySQL database connection using connection.close after your work completes. यानी कि जैसे ही आपका जो कनेक्शन वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो आपको टिल एंड यू हैव टू क्लोज योर कनेक्शंस. Catch exception if any that may occur during the process. So this is the process: Python DB API versus pip, MySQL connector connect, connection request, connected, connection cursor execution, and result data. This is the MySQL database, and this is the MySQL connector Python, and this is the Python applications. So these are the working of the things. So MySQL database is a Python example to connect MySQL database. Create database MyDB below the last step using the method connector Python to connect MySQL database. Let's see the example. Import MySQL connector. First we'll have to create import MySQL connector. Second, from MySQL.connector import error. So from हम एरर भी कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ try block as here. Connection of MySQL.connector connect host localhost database MyDB username root and password this. If connection dot is connected, अगर connection connected है, then database information of connection get server information पे आएगी. Okay. Now print क्या होगा? Connected to MySQL server version of DB info. Cursor connection dot cursor, cursor dot execute, select database. Dear friends, first you have to create the database and database table, otherwise it won't work. Select database. Now record cursor fetch one. Print you are connected to database, record. So we just take the record variable, cursor and fetch one, that means by one record. If you want to use multiple record, you have to use fetch menu, and all record you have to use fetch all. Clear? Now accept error as E. The print error while connecting to MySQL E. Finally, if connection dot is connected, cursor dot close, connection dot close, print MySQL connect close. So last में when we do, just close the connection after complete the test connections. So after connecting to MySQL server, you should get below the output. Connected to MySQL server version, whatever you have, you are connected to database. MySQL connection is closed under the Python MySQL database connection program. Import MySQL.connector. This line import the MySQL connector Python module in your program, so you can use this modules API to connect MySQL. From MySQL.connector import error. MySQL connector from each object to show an error when we fail to connect database of NS. So now access denied error when username password is wrong. So MySQL connector connect. Using this method we can connect the MySQL database. Okay, so MySQL connection is object, then we use MSQL connection object to perform various operations to the MySQL database. To connect method can throw an exceptions database error if one of the required parameter is wrong. For example, if you provide a database name is not present in MySQL. So connection is connected, and is connected is the method of MySQL connection of the class. Okay, so is connected is the method of MySQL class. Okay, connection dot cursor. This method return a cursor object. Using a cursor object we can execute SQL queries. यानी कि cursor के through हम SQL की queries को execute कर सकते हैं. The MySQL cursor class instantiate objects that can execute operations such as SQL statements. Cursor objects interact with the MySQL server using a MySQL connection object. Cursor.close. Using the cursor close method, we can close the cursor object. Once we close the cursor object, we cannot execute any SQL statement. यानी कि once close the cursor object, we can't execute SQL statement. So connection.close. At last, we are closing the MySQL database connection using a close method of MySQL connections. Okay. So Python MySQL create a table. I am creating a laptop table under the MyDB database. Import MySQL connector. From MySQL connector import error. So now try connection. MySQL.connector connect host localhost database MyDB. User root password this. So this is the method to connect the connection of the keys. Now MySQL create table query. Just create table laptop ID null, name this, price plot, purchase that, and primary key. Okay. Now cursor equals to connection.cursor, result cursor.execute MySQL create table query. Print laptop table created successfully. Execute MySQL.connection error as error. Print failed to create table in MySQL. अगर error है तो fail का. Format error. Finally, if connected. If connection is connected, now cursor.close. Connection.close. Print MySQL connection is close. So output is what is the output? Laptop table created successfully. So MySQL connection close. And we'll have to perform 4 types of the operation on that connection: insert data, select data, update data, and delete the data. So Python MySQL connection argument list. We can connect to MySQL server from the Python using a mysql.connect. So method are the MySQL connector, MySQL connections class we already discussed. Okay, so now port, the TCP port of the MySQL server, the value must be an integer. We can specify the different port number if MySQL server is listening to the different port. The default value for this port argument is 3306. Use Unicode. Whether to use Unicode, the default value is true. Now char set, MySQL character set to use character set variables related to a client instructions with the server. There are almost 30 to 40 char set. MySQL server support the default value of char set argument is UTF-8. Now auto commit. Whether to auto commit transaction, if you want to manage transaction in MySQL from Python, you need to set the value of true and false. So default value is false, the changes are not committed to the database. You need to explicitly call a commit method to persist your changes in the database. So friends, इसका आफ्टर डेट, इसकी जो बात की जो थ्योरी है विल स्टडी टुमारो. तब तक के लिए मैं इसका प्रैक्टिकल भी आपको कल बताऊंगा कि पहले हम इसको स्टडी कर लेंगे, देन उसके बाद आई विल एक्सप्लेन ऑल द थिंग्स विद प्रैक्टिकलाइज कि हाउ कैन वी डू दिस थिंग. ओके, सो just wait and watch. So friends, we'll meet tomorrow. Till now, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.